Okay, so we're gonna get right into it, guys. Thanks for watching. Here's the packaging, which I loved. So cute. And okay, I am just going to slick my hair into a bun. I usually don't wear wigs, so this is what I'm doing. I probably should have braided my hair, but it's fine. And you're gonna see me do my baby hairs, but once I actually put on the wig, it's gonna mess it up. So yeah, I would just wait on your baby hairs. So my hair is in a bun, and now I'm just gonna put that wig on. Here is the hair. It's so nice, you guys. Like, the hair texture was really nice. And I just put like leave-in conditioner in a spray bottle and sprayed the hair. I also washed the hair before I put it on, so that's why it was wet. But I styled it with leave-in conditioner and water. And now you guys see like my edges are basically gone. So, I mean, my baby hairs. And yeah, this was complicated. So yeah, I had to redo my baby hairs or my adult hairs, whatever. Swoop. And I just put in a scarf to lay it flat, just to make it clean. And this is pretty much my end results. I really like it. And I always wanted a headband wig just to switch up from my natural hair. Like, sometimes I want some inches. That's okay. Hair is super soft and super flowy. Here's a pro tip. Use a bobby pin if you just want to make your hair look a little bit thinner. And it was just a little bit bulky at the top, so I just used a bobby pin to flatten it out a little bit because I wanted to wear it in the middle, not flipped over. It's giving me vacation. It's giving me a need to go on vacation very much. So I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like this look. I mean, I think this is cool for on the go last minute stuff. So let me know if you guys like it or if you guys have headband wig already. And make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at @righttime_. Bye guys.